My name is Patrick Kiara. I'm a student here. I'm doing information technology. And for me, my opinion about the campus politics that, as you can see kitambo earlier then, like politics were real, something real. Like you can see the campaigns, people are voting, like something real, like something national. But nowadays the campaigns are doing something joking, But like kitambo, you can see leaders when wanachaguliwa walikuwa toka from campus or international, but nowadays tu like tukapa campus ni hivyo ameshia. So for me, like nowadays people should pull up their socks. Leaders when mnachaguliwa na students, they expect you to go far, si mnakufia hapa. Okay, yeah.
Okay, my name is Lucky Mwangangi. I am a fourth-year student in JKUAT. I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Public Administration and Leadership. First, you find that after the student leaders are elected, when they assume office, you find that they forget the student participation and if exactly they should involve students in giving out their views and ideas on what they expect from these leaders. You find that after the campaign period and the election, when these leaders assume the office, it's now they take it on their own without exactly creating some fora for students to come and give suggestions on what exactly they demand or expect from these student leaders. And again, you find that after this system of election was changed to delegate system, many students got uninvolved in these matters. You find that many students don't know what happens. They just find the leaders have been elected and even others don't know these student leaders. You find that most of the students, they just hear about them, they don't know about them, and they don't know exactly what these leaders should do for them. So that's the major critique and problem that we're experiencing from the university leadership, typically from all universities. And I would wish if we first change this delegate system to the former system, it can be so nice, it can involve so many students to take part and participate in the matters involving leadership of the university. Thank you.
Hi everyone. I think it's not that bad. It's good leadership, but we of course have some challenges facing us from our leaders, and among them from of course the beginning of those challenges began from the change of the election system in the school. There was a time that we used to elect our leaders like voting from all the students, but since they changed that, delegates select the presidents and such, it's not satisfactory to students, and there have been that mistrust between the students and the upper boards, because of course we have the feeling that you have not elected someone or they are not there democratically, so there's that lack of trust between the students and the board. Then on those leaders like the delegates, and they have a lot of promises that they promise and they do not keep. That is they are promising big things that they cannot achieve. See, sometimes they end up promising some stuff like and the bursaries and everything that they are gonna make it happen for students, but most of the times it's so difficult for them to achieve what they promised. So I think sometimes they should just during their campaigns they should promise something that they can keep, some promises that they can keep, and they should not overdo.
For me, your leadership haijakuwa sawa, especially the current kind of leaders when you're get in universities. What I think is happening say they're not as good as we can say the likes of Akina Orengo, Akina Babu, Akina Raila, Akina Miguna. They are not as good as those ones, because mwanzo unapata jamaa hayuko ready kukua leader, ako tu enforce nile, unakuja unaambiwa tukupatie position, unaezana jamaa anasema nipatie tu, I see what I can do nikiwa hapo tayari. So unaona jamaa it is not from si willing yake kuwa leader. So hiyo ni one of the things that zina affect. And then sasa akishaikuwa imposed, you see haezi propose anything haizi sema anything negative juu aliekwa. So basically hizo ndio one of those kind of things zenye zinaleta shida kwa leadership. Ndio maana wase at the end of the day akitoka haizi enda akaendelea na hiyo leadership, ana hiyo ability ya ku convince hata watu kwa village yao wamwe elect kama representative wao. So that's going on. Na sasa hakuna kitu unaweza fanya. Kuna kitu mtu basically unaweza fanya. So chenye watu wengi tunasema ni wewe kuja ukasome, maliza, enda fanya vitu zako. Hii leadership unaachia tu shule juu shule ndio ina. Hivyo sasa ndio shida, hiyo ndio shida iko kwa institutions mingi, si kwa mashule tu, kwa very many institutions. But then inaweza change. Watu wakiamua kuchangeisha, it can change, and then it will take a lot of time to change. Basically hiyo ndio shida. Then kuna many other things zinachangia kwa hawa wase, but hiyo ndio main thing. Hiyo kukua imposed, jamaa na skills hizo.